Hello and welcome to another Pacbrake install video. In this video we will be completing a PRXB exhaust brake RV upgrade on a 2004 Monaco. Let's take a quick peek inside, all the way to the back access panel where the upgrade work will occur. Before we begin, let's discuss the benefits of a PRXB exhaust brake versus a traditional fixed orifice brake. The PRXB contains a butterfly valve with a spring calibrated to maintain consistent exhaust back pressure throughout your RPM range. You can see here how exhaust flow will be limited at lower RPMs. Switching over to a standard fixed orifice exhaust brake, you'll notice no calibrated spring. Instead, you only have a fixed opening, meaning that as your RPMs drop, you'll lose exhaust back pressure and braking power. This is a big deal as you usually want to go slowly down hills. At the end of the day, a PRXB RV upgrade means consistent and powerful braking throughout your engine's RPM range. Now let's get into the install. As a quick overview, you'll begin by removing the airline, an existing rear V-band clamp from the exhaust pipe, and then the front V-band clamp. We'll then remove the brake, sand the turbo flange, and then put the new brake in. Before beginning, check to ensure the exhaust pipe is not hot. We recommend wearing gloves. Step 1. Remove the existing airline from the original brake. Next, remove the rear V-band clamp.
Remove the front turbo.
Then remove the front turbo clamp. Now you can remove the original exhaust brake. Up next, you'll want to sand the gasket faces to ensure they are nice and clean for a tight, leak-free fit. Once complete, put the front V-band clamp on loosely. Slide your new PRXB exhaust brake in and tighten. Once the back V-band clamp is in, tighten to ensure seal. It is very important to install the front V-band clamp first and tighten tightly. Then insert the exhaust pipe to the rear and tighten so it seals up. If you do not tighten the front side first, it becomes very difficult to tighten second. The front turbo side seal is the high pressure side, and if you are going to get a leak, this is where it will occur. Once installed, bench test the test brake with shop air if available, both with the engine off for function and then engine on for leaks. Once you have determined there are no leaks, replace the air fitting with a quick release valve. Tighten and reinstall your air line. That's it. Your PRXB exhaust brake is installed. For more great install videos, please like and share this video and hit subscribe.